So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 paragraphs. Who would like to read? Someone new? Ethan? Anyone new? Nora? The second one? Third one, Sarah. Fourth one, Michaela. Fifth one, Anthony. And the last one, you're reading it. Okay. How about the last one, Wilson? Yes, you have a question?
Yeah. So for number 3, draw the icon from the map and represent column. Do it from this map or not?
That map. That's on the other one. So, who's starting off? Go ahead, Ethan.
Populations of Greek communities grew. Some communities did not have enough farmland to feed their people. One solution to this problem was to start colonies. Colonies and settlements in distant places. Many Greek communities sent people over the sea, hoping that they could grow food in new lands and send it home. These people were called colonists.
Colonists had many preparations to make before starting their journey. Often they began by asking the Greek god if their efforts would be successful. To do this, they consulted an oracle. An oracle was a holy person who they believed could communicate with the gods.
Good.
Next, the colonists gathered food and supplies. They made sure to take a flame from their town's sacred fire so they could start a sacred fire in their new home.
Good.
Starting a colony wasn't easy. First, there was a long sea voyage to survive. Then settlers had to find a place for their colony. They looked for areas that had natural harbors and good farming. They also tried to avoid places where local people might be strong enough to prevent them from settling. Finally, they had to establish their community and work hard to make it survive.
The Greeks established colonies over a period of more than 300 years from 1000 to 650 BCE. The first group of settlers created a colony called Ionia in Asia Minor. In what is today Turkey. Later, Greeks started colonies in Spain, France, Italy, and Africa. And along the coast of the Black Sea, colonies helped to spread the Greek culture. Some of the colonies became quite wealthy through farming and trade.
Good.
Colonists continue to enjoy the rights of citizens back home, including the right to participate in Greek athletic
Yeah, good. Just read for Wilson. All right, good. So why did the Greeks start colonies? Did they do it so they could tour the Mediterranean as a cruise? Did they have fun doing this? Why? Why would they do this, Caitlin? Good, because they didn't have farmland to feed the population, so they had to find new land elsewhere. And where are some areas that Greeks would start colonies? On this map, you can see routes used by Greek traders. And in the key, it says Greek settlements. So Greek settlements spread all over the Mediterranean, right? Far places as southern France, what is today southern France over here. Here's Asia Minor, today, what is today Turkey. They refer to that in the section. What the Greeks called Ionia. Has anyone heard of a place called Troy, like the Trojan War? Troy? Troy is in Ionia. It's a city in what is today Turkey, but it's a Greek city, Greek settlement. Yes, Ethan, did you?
Wait, on the map it says they were trading with Carthage, but didn't there were problems with Carthage at that time?
I believe you might be thinking of Rome. Rome fought the Punic Wars against
Yeah,
Carthage.
but then there was it said that Rome was drawn to the war because it conquered Greece. Greece had problems with Carthage.
Okay, Greeks have problems with Carthage too? That could be later on. But originally, Carthage started as a Greek colony. It was the Greeks who originally went there and began Carthage. Good. So, look at your workbooks. So please, for 25.4, number 1, why did the Greeks start colonies? And number 2, describe the steps that the Greeks followed when they started a new colony. All the steps that they did. So, describe the steps that Greeks followed when they started a new colony, and then list write down the symbol for starting a new colony. You can discuss this amongst yourselves if you want.
Yeah. Why would I show the fire? Since you can write small, there's a lot of information. But why would it be a fire? What would they do? Those are yeah. Think of the Olympics. The Olympics are started by Greeks. You know how there's a fire during the Olympics? Like a sacred fire. This is sacred fire ancient Greeks. Because the Olympics started in ancient Greece.